Welcome back. Today we're going to be making bindi, a delicious staple in any South Asian household that is packed with nutrients and easy to make. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to prepare the bindi to avoid any sliminess. Wash and dry this completely before cutting with a dry knife and then spread it on a plate to air. Heat the oil on a medium heat and add some sliced onions and fry for 5 to 10 minutes until soft. There's no need to brown these. Add ginger and garlic and fry for 3 minutes. Then add green chilies and fry for another 2 minutes. Now add the spices and mix for 1 minute before adding the yogurt. Cook this until the liquid has evaporated. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes before adding the bindi. Mix all this for 3 minutes. Now add some lemon juice and mix this for 5 minutes. The lemon juice helps to counteract any sliminess. Now put the lid on and steam on a low heat for 10 minutes. I also added a few whole tomatoes in the last minute of steaming. Remove the lid and cook on a medium to high heat to dry any remaining liquid. To finish off, sprinkle with some garam masala. Now your bindi is ready to serve. Garnish with some coriander leaves. Bindi is best served with chapatis or naan. Do check out my naan recipe video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe and see you in my next video.